Assalamu alaikum. So in this video I am going to teach you how to read these words. So starting from the first alphabet, that is wow. Say wow. Wow has fatha over there, and after wow there is alif, but it cannot be pronounced. Wow fatha will join with lam. So wow lam fatha will be wal. Say wal. Wal. The next is qaf. Qaf has two dots. So qaf fatha will qa. Wal qa. Say wal qa. Wal qa. And the next there is meme. What is this? Meme. So meme fatha will be ma. Ma. Say ma. Now when you join the three, it will be wal qama. Say wal qama. And this is ra. Ra has kasra, so it will be ri. Wal qamari. Say wal qamari. Now this is wal qamari, and the next there is alif. Alif has kasra. Alif, or you can say hamza. Hamza has kasra over there. So hamza kasra I. Zal has fatha over there. So iza. Say, but it has, what is this? There is alif. So it will be elongate, that is equal to 2 harakat. So it will be iza. Say iza. Iza. Now the next word is ta. Ta has fatha over there, so it will be ta. And the next is lam. It will elongate again to, that is for 2 harakat. Lam standing fatwa will be la. So iza tala. Say iza tala. And the next is ha. Ha. Ha will also elongated, that is for 2 harakat. So now it will be talaha. Iza talaha. So if you join the both, it will be wal qamari iza talaha. Say wal qamari iza talaha. Now in the previous lesson you have learned about this, so read it. What is this? This is wash-shamsi wa-duhaha. Say wash-shamsi wa-duhaha. So now let's read the both at a time. So say with me, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Wash-shamsi wa-duhaha. Wal-qamari idha talaha. Read again. Wash-shamsi wa-duhaha. وَالْقَمَرِ إِذَا تَلَاهَا. So if you want to learn more, subscribe, and if you learn anything, then thumb up. And if you have any questions, you can direct message me on this Instagram or on that email.